Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick chicken. First, prepare your chicken by spatchcocking it, which means removing the backbone so it lays flat. This ensures even cooking. Next, pat the chicken thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for crispy skin. Finally, season both sides generously with your favorite blend of salt, pepper, and herbs. Now let's get to the brick part. Preheat a heavy-bottomed skillet, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place the spatchcocked chicken, skin side down, into the pan. Immediately, place 2 foil-wrapped bricks or another heavy object on top of the chicken. This pressure ensures maximum skin contact and incredible crispiness. Continue cooking the chicken skin side down for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, maintaining that consistent pressure. The skin should become deeply golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Then, flip the chicken and cook for an additional 20 to 25 minutes, or until the internal temperature in the thickest part of the thigh reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and transfer it to a cutting board. It's important to let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Finally, carve your perfectly crispy brick chicken into portions and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.